Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you all how I colored my hair. If you're interested in knowing how I did color my hair, then please be sure to stay tuned for the rest of the video. First things first, I'm going to show you all how I got the roots on my frontal. I am using, I believe it's a toner, but it's called Color Tango. It's by Wella, and I got the color 7NN, and then I used a 20 volume developer to go along with it. And this is the frontal that I'm using today. I was sent this frontal and the hair that I'm using for this video from Eullair or Eullair. I know I'm saying it wrong. I'm gonna leave the information down below, but it's from Eullair hair. They sent me out 4 bundles and a frontal of their 613 deep wave hair, y'all. So yes, this is deep wave hair. It has a nice wave to it, and I have a 20-inch frontal, and then I have a 24, 26, 26, 26 inches for my bundles. Definitely want to give a shout out to Lavender. I love her videos, y'all. Y'all know she's a beast at the wigs and the coloring game. Like, she's a killer. But I used her video where she did the pastel unicorn hair color. It was so freaking pretty. I used that video that she did to help guide me through this process. So in her video, she was very detailed. She showed how to do the roots, how to like color the hair and everything. So if you want or need more of a detailed video, then definitely go ahead and check her video out. It's very helpful. I'm going to leave it down in the description box. These are the colors that I use to get the overall look. I got these from Sally's. This is the Ion Color Brilliance line, and I have Lavender. That's Azure. I think that's how you say it. This is Mint, and the pink color is called Rose. I did want to mention that for the mint color, I'm sorry I didn't show the packaging in the video, but I added a color called Shamrock. It is with the Ion Color Brilliance line. I added that to the mint color because the mint color, it came out more of a blue than a green. So I added that because Lavender, she showed that in her video, and she advised to add the Shamrock color if you wanted it to be more of a green mint color. So that's what I did. I will of course leave all of the products that I use down below in the description box. But yeah, y'all, the coloring process, the order of the colors that you see me doing, I did that for the entire head. I did not switch up the order of the colors, so I kept the order the same as you see right now in the video. In Andrea's video, she did her colors a different order, but I just decided to change up my order. So I mentioned that to say you don't have to do the same order that I did. Of course, you can change up the order of the colors if you want. You can use different colors. It's whatever you want to do, whatever you're feeling. You know, you have fun with it, play around with it, get creative. You can do whatever you want to do. It's no right or wrong way of doing the colors. So yeah, if you don't like the order of the colors that I use, you know, if you're gonna do it a different color. I just had to say that because y'all know somebody gonna come in and say, oh, I think you should have did it this way. Thank you for sharing your opinion, sis. But you know, you don't have to do it this way. You know, it's nobody's forcing you to do it this way. You can do it however you want to do it. So this is how everything looks once I finish coloring the hair. I did leave the color on throughout the night, so when I woke up the next morning, that's when I rinse out the color. And here is the hair after I washed the color out. The only thing I did was condition it after I washed the color out. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like this video if you liked it. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Share this video. Check out LaRasia Andrea's video as well as in my description box if you need more of a detailed video. But yeah, I love y'all so much. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.